How to use one WeChat account on two phones. So if you want to use one WeChat account on two phones, then what you need to do is, if you are using your WeChat on the first phone, and if you want to use the same account on the other phone, then let's see if it's possible or not. So what you need to do is, on the second phone, on the first phone you will have your WeChat account, right? But on the second phone, what you need to do is open up your browser and search for WeChat. And here you need to go with www.wechat.com, and you need to go with the web version. So unfortunately, you won't be able to use one WeChat account on two phones in the application. But what you need to do is, you need to use one as an application and the other one through the web page via Google. And that's how you can use one WeChat account on two phones. The first phone will have the application and will be logged in, and on the second phone you can use your you can use your Chrome browser or any other browser, but you need to just log in with your browser on your second device, because you won't be able to use your account in two apps. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.